We got cut, but this is a continuation. A client and friend is asking me a few things here about screen replacement. It's just a continuation. Yes.
I was asking you, what is the similarity between the original screen and the replacement screen?
I think I can begin with the difference. Basically, a replacement screen, if you get it from a good third party that makes them, should be within 80% to 90% the quality of the original. So you find that the color representations, the color may be slightly pale, but not awfully pale. That said, of course, now there are other grades of replacement screens that are not well made. So you find them having paler display, like the quality of the image it shows is not the most vibrant. And then some may be as bad as having erratic touch screens, like you touch here, it touches there. Then some, you find that they may just electronically fail if at all the electronics are on the fiber, like most of the electronics of the touch itself. So yeah, some of those challenges. When I say electronics, I mean now, like you see this, there's some sort of components under here. If the third-party maker is not good, they may be using really poor components, and that causes the screen to fail naturally. But if you get one who is doing a good job in that regard, that's why you find the screen lasting over 5 years. Like if you've not broken it anyways, meaning it functioning naturally. Yeah.
And the similarity?
Similarity is that they try to make them look identical. In other words, where the fibers are located. Basically, that's the only similarity, like the connectors.
So finally, Mr. Edmond, our last question before we close. Can one detect a replaced screen?
If poorly done, yes. Yes, and if it is perfectly done and glued perfectly, it will take them having an original phone with an original screen next to the other to be able to tell the difference. That's assuming I have used the best quality replacement. So if it takes you looking at the two and like, I notice this one's red is a bit deeper than the other one. But if you're using it in isolation, and it is the best replacement screen available, then the user should not notice any difference in the absence of comparison. Yeah.
Where do you get your gadgets?
I actually get them from town. I am not yet at the place where I ship them from China, because basically that's the factory of the world. But at least locally, I get them from downtown.
Thank you so much, Mr. Edmond.
Thank you. And guys, hit the subscribe button. That's it for this video. I'll follow it up with a screen guard placement. See you.